Day 13, the clutches of the pirates of the Caribbean, or the Keys, let's call it. Anyway, today is Sunday. Just so you guys know, you're about 2 days behind on the videos. So these are live videos pretty much, but you guys are 2 days behind. Yesterday we got a lot of work done. Today, Chief, I got to pull that starter motor, and that generator's killing me, because if I got to buy a generator, I'm not going to be freaking happy, but we need to know. So let's go down to the engine room. Before we go to church, let's take a little Jesus in today. It's Sunday, Chief.
Sounds good.
Let's go to church, but I want to go pull that starter motor and see if we can swap those starter motors out. You going to follow me down into the engine room?
Let's go do it. Come on.
All right. I got the engine room already all opened up. Chief, why do I like the engine room? It's my favorite place on this boat.
Well,
I spent a lot of time in here.
yes. It's big.
All right, I put all my tools away yesterday, but what I think I'm going to do is pull the starter motor off of this engine and put it on this engine and see what we got. So let's get started, Chief. All right, let's go. See, it does look a little dirty. So, and it's hard to tell with these ray cores if they're plugged or not. But I changed it. I went ahead and just changed it. Primed this back up. Then I opened up an injector. All right, guys, day 13 here. I haven't had a generator running in about 3 or 4 days. And and I wanted to know why I wanted to do this myself is, can I get the generator running myself? If we hadn't had rudder post problems, could have I got this generator running? And the answer is yes. Woo! And what it was is I had to go down, I had the ray core. I had to change the ray core, and then it wasn't getting fuel. So that's what I did is I checked to make sure it's getting fuel. The first thing I need to do, but the first thing I had to do was change the starter motor. We had a bad starter motor. Guys, we just got back we got a little Jesus, Chief. We went to church today, and we just got back to the yacht, and I've got a few more things that I need to get done today. We're going to pull the alternator off that starboard engine. I've got a repair to make on that starboard motor, and then I'm going to, those are the main things that I need to get done, and then I got the 2 wires to finish up that project, so we'll get all that done in the next day or so. And then I got to tackle my next big project, and I'm going to surprise you guys with it later. As we keep going and keep moving, I'll tell you what it is, but it's basically I'm going to try and get some battery power for up here to run our refrigerator and stuff like that. But we'll explain it later in later videos. I want to check it to see if it's going to fire right back up again. So turn that. That's our preheat. And it's going to be that generator. And that's about how fast it should start when when it's running properly. Alright, so that's what I wanted to see. I want to make that test and make sure that it wasn't just a fluke, that it is running and it's staying running. When Pete goes to the part, we'll load this in the car. We'll get this starter rebuilt right here, so we have a spare starter for the generator. And then we're going to pull this alternator next, because this is not putting out properly. We learned that yesterday when we were trying to set our controllers for the battery, for the stabilization battery system. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna check the voltage real quick on this generator. I shut them off here, and I just want to check, make sure these wires aren't live, because I just, when I take these off, I want to make sure. And I am not showing any, I'm showing 0 voltage. Okay. So a bunch of just absolute blessings as we're pulling, getting the boat and just really getting to know this yacht and prepared. But on this engine right here, this is leaking, so I've got to fix this. The alternator was actually not hooked up correctly, and it's not putting out the correct amperage, so we're going to take that and have it checked. But also, while I did this, I found this harmonic balancer is broken. And I don't know if you guys remember Snapdragon, but we had that same issue on Snapdragon. So while I'm here in the boatyard, I'll clean all this up right here, and I will get a new harmonic balancer for this motor. I checked the other motor looks okay. So that's another problem that we're gonna have to deal with, and we have to get fixed while we're sitting here on the hard. And it's kind of a blessing that we turned around and came back to work out some of these issues. So doing these nice long sea trials, they're paying off. The clutches of piracy, you understand that, right?
It hurts a little.
We got a lot of shit done today, huh, Chief?
Yeah, a lot.
And we found that new problem on the engine. Are you glad we found them out here in the clutches of the pirates?
Yes.
Yeah, me too. So some of the things that happened were, you know, overlooked. Some of them were mistakes. But in the meantime, getting this boat ready, we're learning a lot about it. And oh wow, look how beautiful it is out there. Claudel should have had a just absolutely perfect ride. That's where he's riding, from right here to right here today. So you guys saw our earlier update on the video where he is, look, that's what you want to see right there. Yeah. Just beautiful. Anyway, he's should be about halfway across now. Hopefully hear from him in the next few hours. That he made it safely across over to West End, where he's going to hook up with his fiance, Chief.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, that'd be very cool. Chief, it's good to just take a break and get off the boat for a few minutes, and we're going to go to Mr. Z's Pizza and have a pizza to end this day. Have a slice of pizza.
Nice.
All right, guys. Captain Paul here with my twin brother, Pete. And today we're ending 13. We just got back from Z's Pizza. We went and had a little pizza this afternoon. But I want to hear, I want you guys to keep the comments coming. This is real life. I do think it's one of the greatest shows on earth right now. This is real life. This is happening. You guys are about 2 to 3 days behind on the videos. But this is, this is our life. And we're out here and we're trying, and we get up every day, and there's failures and there's successes. And I want to hear you guys leave a comment down below. What do you guys think? Who thinks we even have a shot of making it over to the West Coast with this yacht? I think we're in much, much better shape. It doesn't appear that way right now, but I think every day we just get stronger and stronger. The crew grows stronger and stronger. We're talking to Lee every single day, and we're going to make this happen. So anyway, make sure you hit that like, make sure you hit that subscribe, and make sure you share it with your friends and your family on social media. We do appreciate it. And I am trying to get some t-shirts made while we have this small delay right here. And if I do get them made in time, I'm going to start giving them away randomly to the people in the comments. So make sure you maybe put in the comment there, I want a t-shirt, and we'll see what happens. Anyway, peace out, and thank you guys so much. I do appreciate it. Bye.